Kitty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to do 8, is it considered 8 or 9? 8 days until my birthday, day in my life vlog. So today is day 1. Today is September 1st, approximately like 8:20 a.m. and I am getting ready to go help my line sister finish decorating her classroom. But for starters, as you can tell from the quality and the color, I am recording from my phone. Only them turns on. I am recording from my phone because I created a whole truth or drink video with my line sisters that won't upload for some reason. So I recorded that on my camera and I edited it on my laptop, as well as some finishing touches on my phone. And I have the video on my phone, I have the video on my laptop, I have it everywhere, but for some reason it will not upload. So I'm just going to go ahead and say that it doesn't like me. Or it must be something else that I don't know and I need to ask help about. So until then, that video will not be being posted until I can find a way to post it. But I know the easiest way for me to post something is to just automatically record it from my phone, edit it on my phone, and then post it to YouTube. So here we are. But yeah, so we have a kind of a long day today. First thing on my list is to go pick up my line sister, and then we're gonna head to our schools, well, her school, so I can finish helping her decorate her classroom. Now, yesterday I created content to help her clean it up. Today is gonna be a little bit of more cleaning, but mostly decorating, because like I said, today is September 1st, which is Friday, and we start back school on September 5th, which is next Tuesday. So she needs to finish getting her classroom together. I need to help her get her little first year of teaching jitters out. So that's what today consists of with her. Around 12 o'clock, I have practice with my girls because this week, during the summer, I got a part-time job. So I've been working my part-time job during the summer. So next week is like when my schedule goes to basically working twice or 3 times a week, just so I can keep that steady flow of income coming, because I get paid every week with that job. So, and I get some nice benefits, so I'm going to keep it. So this past week, we had like 2 rehearsals that I either couldn't be at, or I came early. Or I came and I had to leave early because I had to make it to work on time. So today, we're going to be having practice from 12 to 3. We have some other business to handle within that as well, because we have a football game today, our first football game. And of course, they want us at the football game. So one thing that I don't play about is cuts. So I'm doing cuts, baby. I got new girls on the team, and as well as my old girls. Them old girls get cut too. Ask them about me. You thought the other coach D was something? I'm a little something too, just sometimes, not all the time. After the game, that's it for today. So this vlog probably won't be that long because I'm mainly going to be doing a lot of stuff. But I figured, what's not the best way to bring my birthday in and do some days in my life. So today, that's on the agenda for today. Tomorrow is September 2nd. Oh my gosh, I'll tell you the story about what's going to happen tomorrow, because that's another video for itself. So here is done, because this is a clueless week, so she comes off at night. So I take her off at night, as my daddy or my boyfriend would say. I take my hat off at night and I pop it back on in the morning. I sure do, because you know what that does also as well. I ain't really gotta do that much to my hair, because it's already technically done. You just take it off, put it down, we're good, put it back on. So let's get out this house so we can go get here, so we can be on time. Because if you follow me on TikTok, you should already know. To be real is to be on time. To be on time is to be late. And she wants to get there at 9 a.m. so we can start at 9 a.m. so I can have enough time to still go to practice. And she's such a considerate sister. I love her so much. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video to another fellow Virgo. We are in the building right now. All right, so we are leaving the house. Say hi, Sakani. Say hi, boo-boo. Y'all, I call him a cat dog because ain't no way that a dog is supposed to sit in the window like that. Oh my God, y'all. Why my blinds fall down today? I'm gonna talk about pissed. Threw me for a loop. Okay, I'm gonna leave you out today because I'm gonna be gone for a while. Okay? All the doors are closed. You potty and you ate. I'll be back. Love you. Yes, I talk to my dog like he's my child because he is my child. That man is a human. But here we go. I'm going to pick up Lion's sister. We're at Family Dollar.
Oh, you said you were recording today.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello. I didn't know you.
We're going to, I should have brought my thing. We're going to, they got Fabuloso right here. We are going to our classroom to finish. Dang, really look, somebody opened up this Coke and did not finish it. Didn't pay for it, African American. So we're going to our classroom to finish setting up. Right.
Today we're using COVID-19. I heard it's coming back.
Right. She keep talking about it's in New York.
It is.
Ooh, get that awesome.
Okay.
$1.25.
This is sad.
Dollar Tree has nothing. Family Dollar.
Y'all don't care about no soap.
Everything is all online. I don't know if I ever told you, but when I used to teach my kids, they be like, "Can I turn my assignment in on like can I email it to you?" And I tell them no.
I'd rather you give it to me the old fashioned.
Yeah, I need you to write it down. We take notes in here. We're gonna treat them kids how I was treated in school.
You think
You know they don't know how to write in cursive?
I'm pretty sure that was already kind of bad in our little generation.
It was, but in 3rd grade they made me learn how to write in cursive.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, we are in the class.
You funny.
Alright, this is so weird you listening to. I just finished, well didn't finish, but I just finished helping my sister decorate and clean up a little bit. I have to go to practice, but if she's still here when I get out of practice, I will be back to go help her and I will bring some extra girls with me. So yeah. If you know me personally, you know that I am a part of a sorority and my assistant auxiliary director / my flag coach is my sorority sister. And unfortunately, I think a couple of days ago she got into a bad accident and she's a little sore and everything, and she hasn't been in practice for the last couple of days, but she'll be coming back today. So we took it upon ourselves to get her some flowers, some candy, and a couple cards to hopefully lift her spirits and make her feel a little bit better, because yeah, like, I mean, if anybody was in a car accident or anything tragic happened to them, the best thing that you want to do is to try to lift their spirits, especially when they're going to be around you a lot. And Tavian has a good heart and she's a great person, so we're going to lift her spirits up. So right now I'm about to go pick up one of my girls. She already has the flowers, I have the cards and the candy, and God works in mysterious ways. Tavian just texted me and told me that she'll be a little late to practice, which is perfectly fine, so I can get the card signed, have everything set out for her, so when she comes in, she'll be rushed and filled with love and kisses and hopefully make her feel better. And yeah. Joe want to say to Coach Tavy?
I love you so much.
Girl, your skin glowing in this sun, Kirsten. You look good. How cute was gonna be, I'm gonna tell her to turn the light on, so when y'all see the light turn on, that means come out with it. So they're in the closet and we're gonna surprise her. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I gotta go open the door? All right, I gotta open the door. Your hair is beautiful. You're welcome.
You turn the light on first.
What's this?
My vlog.
Oh, hey, y'all.
Practice is over.
Practice not
Going back to help Brittany with her classroom. What?
my cousin.
My classroom is done.
Now, one thing y'all got to know about your coach, her classroom is done.
Okay. Y'all should already know that.
I don't know Brittany.
Yes, y'all do. Y'all met Brittany.
I met Brittany.
Yes.
You know how I also met?
Who?
I met Ronnie. I like her. I like Ronnie.
Me too.
I was so happy when I met
Yes, you did me.
No.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, they in the section with me wild.
Okay, why everybody that I'm taking is not
Y'all want to go to the Sexy Mary concert?
No. She coming back? She sold out.
Yeah, she sold out.
Oh, I was
Okay.
gonna buy y'all tickets. You gonna say,
Wait, got on it.
That's because she didn't come last time. Look at my girl Burgundy. She just looks so good. Yes. We are at the school. You locked the door, Peyton. Oh. We're at the school. We got Mexican food, burrito tacos and whatnot. But we're at the school to help Brittany. She gonna be mad. I think this door unlocked.
Oh, sorry. It was already
It was unlocked.
it was unlocked.
Thank you for making our bags.
Say hi, Jaya.
Wait, this is Sabbath?
First home game. It's the last task of today is the football game. What you say? What you say? Oh my God. Hey, bro, she talking about, oh my God, kill a kid. Alright, guys. Teeth is brushed. Wig is off. Body is washed. And we are home. Getting ready to go to bed. We won our first football game, so that's a good thing. Whoop, 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 whoop. But, yeah, it's time to go to bed. I snatched that wig off. Hurry up and got in the shower. Now I'm about to eat and lay down. This is day 1 of Destiny's Day in the Life with me for my birthday vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share this video to another fellow Virgo, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.